Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make WordPress website with free domain and hosting. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So to create a WordPress website with a free domain and hosting, you can follow these steps. So first of all, choose a free hosting provider. So there are several hosting providers that offer free hosting plans such as WordPress.com, 000 Web Hosts, InfinityFree, or AwardSpace. Okay? Again, those are the WordPress, 000 Web Host, InfinityFree, or award space. Okay, so research and choose a provider that fits your requirements. Now sign up for an account. So visit the website of the hosting provider you have chosen and sign up for a free hosting account. Follow the Follow the registration process and provide the necessary information. Now register a free domain. So some free hosting providers offer a free subdomain as part of their hosting package. For example, in WordPress, it provides a free subdomain in the format yoursite.wordpress.com. So if you prefer a custom domain, you can search for free domain providers like Freenom or .tk, so which offer domain extension like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, or .gq for free. Okay? So now install WordPress. So once you have signed up for hosting and obtained a domain, you will need to install WordPress. So most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation option, making the process quick and easy. So follow the instructions provided by your hosting provider to install WordPress on your domain. Now configure your website. So after the WordPress installation is complete, you can access your WordPress dashboard by visiting your domain with /wp-admin appended. For example, yoursite.com of /wp-admin. Okay? So log in using the credentials is you set up during the installation process. So now choose a theme. So in the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes. Browse through the available free themes and select one that suits your website style and purpose. So install and activate the theme of your choice. Now customize your website. So with the theme activated, you can start customizing your website's appearance and functionality. So customize the site title, logo, colors, fonts, and other settings according to your preferences. So you can also add pages, posts, menus, and widgets to build your website structure and content. Now install necessary plugins. So WordPress plugins add additional features and functionality to plugins like Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Akismet for spam protection, and a caching plugin like WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache for improved performance. Now create your website content. So begin creating the pages, blog posts, and other content for your website. So write engaging and informative content that aligns with your website's purpose and target audience. Now publish your website. So once you are satisfied with your website's design, content, and functionality, you can publish it and make accessible to the public. Share your website's URL and start promoting it to reach your desired audience. Now, remember that free hosting plans may have limitations in terms of storage, bandwidth, and features compared to paid hosting. As your website grows and requires more resources, you may need to consider upgrading to a paid hosting plan for better performance and flexibility. Additionally, free domains may not provide the same level of professionalism or branding as a custom domain. If you intend to create a more serious or business oriented website, it is available to invest in a paid domain name. So, overall, building a website with free domain and hosting can be a good starting point to explore WordPress and establish an online presence, but it is important to consider the limitations and plan for potential future upgrades. Okay? So, things you need to consider when creating a WordPress website with free domain. Now, you need to understand the limitations. So, free hosting plans often comes with limitations in terms of storage space, bandwidth, server resources, and features. Make sure to review the specific limitations of hosting provider you choose, as these limitations can impact the performance and scalability of your website. Customization option. So while free hosting providers may offer some level of customization, they may have restrictions on certain advanced features or plugins. Ensure that the hosting provider allows you to install and use the necessary plugins or functionalities you require for your website. Support and resources. So, free hosting plans may provide limited or no customer support. Make sure to check if any support channels are available, such as forums or documentation that can assist in troubleshooting issues or answering your questions. Domain name branding. So while free subdomains can be useful for getting started, they may not provide the same level of professionalism as a custom domain name. So consider investing in a custom domain if you want to establish a stronger brand identity and credibility for your website. Now, future migration. So, if you plan to expand your website or move to a different hosting provider, be aware that migrating a website from a free hosting provider can be more complicated than paying for hosting. So, ensure you have a plan in place for potential future migrations. The last one, we have website monetization. So, if you plan to monetize your website through advertisements or other means, be aware that some free hosting providers may restrict monetization methods or display their own ads on your site. So, review the terms and conditions of the hosting provider regarding monetization to ensure aligns with your goals. Okay? So, as I said earlier, remember that while free domain and hosting options can be a great starting point, they may not always provide the same level of reliability, performance, and flexibility as paid options. So, as your website grows and becomes more important to your online presence, you may want to consider upgrading to a paid hosting plan for better control, support, and scalability. Okay? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.